In this video, I will show you how to solve withdrawal problems in one win. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'll advise you create a professional one win account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code RENZO7. If you use the promo code RENZO7, one win is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus, and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. So if you are facing any withdrawal problems in one way and you want to solve them, what you can do is to come over to your profile details over here. As you come to your profile details here, you're going to come down to where they say support. Click on this support option, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to write in your name, your email address, and in the message, you're going to write details to them explaining the withdrawal problem you are facing with your OneWin account. And you're going to explain to them that you want it to be solved immediately, and they're going to reach out to you and solve whatever withdrawal problems you are facing with your OneWin account.